Introduction: The Night That Changed My Life. From today, I will read a book that is Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. Change your attitude, change your life. This video, I will do nothing but I will read aloud. I will go through this video, this book, and I hope you can listen and you learn something new. Okay, I will tell. The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitude of mind, said by William James. As a author, I am reading this book. I am not author, but Jeff Keller has Jeff Keller wrote this book, so I am I am reading this book. You can listen, you can hear. From hearing, but you can improve your listening power. Okay. In 1980, I graduated from school and thought I would be a lawyer for the rest of my life. After all, that's what I would wanted to do since my early teenage years. At first, everything went according to my plan. After lots of studying that summer, I passed the bar examination and was admitted to practice law in New York. My personal life was also on the upswing. In early 1981, I married Dollars. Dollars, a law school classmate. I was on my way to much success and happiness, or so I thought. But after practicing law for a few years, I realized I was not happy at all. Sure, there were some things I liked about being a lawyer. I enjoyed helping people resolve their disputes, especially when I could save them the agony of lengthy court proceeding. Yet, there were so many things about being an attorney that I disliked and that just seemed to drain the life out of me. Mounts and mounts of tedious paperwork and motion to be filled. Next, constant delay and postponements. It was not uncommon for the trial to be postponed 10 times. Next session, I did it going to work. Did it means afraid. I did it going to work. I continued to grind out the work, but grew more and more dissatisfied as an attorney. I was frustrated and very depressed, to put it bluntly. Bluntly means very clearly. I did not like my life and saw no way that things were going to improve. Have you ever had a job where you didn't going to work most days? Where you felt the weight of the world on your shoulder each day? Well, that's how I felt. I was literally hunched over and in pain both physically and emotionally. I looked much older than my years. I began to get headache all the time and my stomach was constantly churning. Fearing that I had some serious health problem, I saw some doctors and they ordered a battery of tests. Every test came back with the same result. They could not find anything physically wrong with me. One of the doctors suggested that I take Malaxocram, my upset stomach. Spiritually, I was dead. Nothing in my life had much meaning. This day to day drudgery was also affecting my appearance. Although I was in my late 20s, I looked like I was 40. In the year part of 1985, shortly after I had turned 30 years old, I was burnt out, and one particular evening, while sitting alone in my den, I knew that something had to change. Not knowing what to do, I simply said out loud, "There's got to be more to my life than this. There's got to be more than this misery and unhappiness." So I hope you have understood the reading and listen, and I hope, I don't know if I read out this book it may be copyright or not, but I will read out every day, and it will be 5 to 6 minute videos. It not maybe very long. I'll tell next part in next day. Okay, I will read aloud every day one page, so you guys understood and clearly found the meaning. Okay, if you do not understand any meaning, you can ask me in comment. Thank you.